Before you begin installing the video wall, it's important that you understand some important information. Let's check the items. You need an on-site visit checklist. First, you will need to know the install type according to the architecture design drawing. Check how many LFDs are needed and where the LFDs will be installed. Discuss the install point, perforating spot, and placing size with an interior architect. Design a basic install method after you decide to make a server operating room, plumbing, wiring, and outlet. After making an LFD design and install block diagram, estimate the time, difficulty, and process for the video wall installation. Before installation, let's go over a few items from the pre-visit checklist. Check the LFD model, size, quantity, and weight. Check the actual measurement, installation type, and wall material of the position of observation. Height of ceiling. Check the height of the LFD wall mount bracket and install a duct inside or outside. Check the wiring and UTP RS-232 power and video cable that you will be using between LFDs. After install, check finishing materials, LFD ventilation, and surrounding finishing equipment. You also want to check the maintenance, workplace, characteristic, and conditions.